In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews on Google Sites if you want to display customer reviews on your Google site. The process is actually very simple once you know where to find the right option. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add a review section using embed code so you can place it directly onto your page and make your site look more trustworthy and professional. To get started, go to your Google site and open the page where you want the reviews to appear. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can add new content to the page. It's a good idea to decide in advance where the reviews should be placed, such as on your home page, a testimonials section, or near a call to action. That way, the reviews support the rest of your content naturally. Once you're on the site editor, look for the embed option and click it. This is the tool Google Sites gives you when you want to add content from outside the platform, including custom widgets, review displays, and other embedded elements. After that, click on Embed Code. This is important because you'll be pasting in the code that powers the review section. If you already copied the code from your reviews provider or widget tool, you're ready for the next part. Before pasting, it's always worth making sure the code is complete and formatted correctly, because even a small missing character can prevent the embed from loading properly. Now paste your code into the embed field. This code is what tells Google Sites how to display the reviews on the page. Once it's added, take a quick moment to confirm that everything looks correct in the preview area if one appears. This can help you catch layout issues early. Next, click on Next. This lets Google Sites process the embed and prepare it for placement on your page. Depending on the code you're using, you may see a preview of the review section at this stage. If the preview doesn't look right, you can go back and double check the code before continuing. When everything looks good, click on Insert. This will place the reviews block directly onto your Google site. From there, you can usually drag it into position and resize it so it fits cleanly with the rest of your page design. Try to leave enough space around it so the reviews are easy to read and don't feel crowded. And that's it. Once your embedded reviews are in place, you can continue editing the page as needed and then publish your site to make the changes live. That's how to add reviews on Google Sites.